Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset. Now here you will see reset option. And if you want to reset your phone, then click on this button. After click on this button, all data, photo or videos will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can factory reset in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.